Hey there, viewers! 20-minute full-body workout for beginners. For beginners, a good workout is something simple and effective. The basics are all you need to get results, at least for now that is. It's hard to start whether you're a complete newbie or are back to square one after taking a long hiatus from the gym. Thus, the last thing you need is to go too hard or too fast. In this video, we discuss how an effective full-body workout for beginners like you looks like. The entire routine will only take 20 minutes of your time. You may already be familiar with some of these exercises such as bridge and wall squat. Stay tuned to learn everything about these moves in a little while. Some warming up greatly helps. Very easy, simply do each of the exercises for 1 whole minute. A warm-up is designed to get your heart pumping and muscles loose so your body is ready for the actual workout. 1-minute low-impact jumping jacks. Low-impact exercises are good at boosting your fitness while being easier on your joints. Such movements are typically better for individuals with osteoarthritis, arthritis, or other joint-related issues or pain. Low-impact jumping jacks, for instance, are amazing for accelerating your heart rate without overworking your joints. Directions. Number 1. Step your right foot out to the side while swinging your right arm up and overhead, then reach as far as you can. Number 2. Step it right back in the step to the other side using your left foot, and this time swing your left arm overhead. Number 3. Continue alternating sides, moving as fast as you can without jumping. Number 4. Repeat for 60 seconds. 1 minute running in place. Running in place is an aerobic exercise that requires constantly moving and contracting your muscles. It helps develop a strong core and upper body. Directions. Number 1. Simultaneously lift your right arm and left foot. Number 2. Raise one of your knees until it's level with your hips. Number 3. Switch to the opposite foot, quickly lifting your right foot to hip height. Number 4. At the same time, move your right arm back and your left arm forward and up. Number 5. Continue those moves for 60 seconds. After completing the warm-up, it's time to proceed to the main event. Are you ready? We will be talking briefly about each exercise, then move to how to properly perform them and a few pointers. Let's get right into it then. Real quick, hit that like button and let's get back into it. The actual thing. This time you will be performing 5 exercises with 30 to 45 seconds of rest between each move and 30 seconds of rest between each set. Number 1. Bridge. At first glance, the glute bridge seems like a very easy exercise. It is indeed uncomplicated, but it doesn't mean that it isn't challenging. One great way to train your core and butt is the bridge. With a stronger core, you can enhance your posture and alleviate lower back pain. Moreover, this exercise strengthens your posterior chain, which is essential in increasing lower back strength and core stability. Directions. Lie on your back, preferably using a mat. Rest your hands on your sides, bend your knees, and position your feet flat on the floor beneath your knees. From there, tighten your abdominal and buttock muscles by pushing your low back into the floor. Form a straight line from your knees to shoulders by raising your hips. Now squeeze your core and pull your belly button back toward your spine. Slowly lower back down to the floor and repeat 10 reps for 3 sets. Important things to remember. Maintain your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Keep your core engaged for the whole time. Doing a bridge with lax abs won't maximize the exercise. Make sure to keep a straight line because overextending may bend your lower back, which can do more harm than good. Number 2. Wall squat. Also known as the wall sit. This exercise is excellent for building strength and endurance in your glutes, calves, quads, and abdominal muscles. In particular, the wall squat is a killer quad-burning movement, quads being the muscles in the front of your thighs. Strong quads are essential for performing many daily life activities. These include getting out of a seat and walking downhill or stairs. The wall squat is a no-nonsense exercise, and while it may be one of the more common exercises, you must still watch your form to get the most out of it. Despite being a straightforward move, many people often still get it wrong. Directions. Begin with your back against the wall and your feet shoulder width and around 2 feet from the wall. Engage your abs and slowly slide your back down the wall until your thighs and ground are parallel. Keep your knees directly above your ankles by adjusting your feet. Hold yourself steady for 5 seconds, then extend your legs and return to the starting position. Do 10 reps for 3 sets. Important things to remember. Your back should stay flat against the wall the whole time. Do not arch your back. For beginners, you can place your hands on your thighs for some assistance. Doing so will make the exercise less difficult. But preferably, put your hands on the wall next to you or cross in front of you. Number 3. 45-degree incline row. To perform many daily activities with ease, it's crucial to strengthen your back. Having a strong back is also key to getting and maintaining a good posture. A great way to achieve all those is to perform a 45-degree incline row. Doing so will also challenge your core, which is always a very much welcome side benefit. In addition, this exercise is a great way to train your shoulders as it works your lateral and posterior delts. Directions. Get one dumbbell for each hand with your arms extended. Next, hinge at your hips until your upper body is positioned at a 45-degree angle. While you keep your neck aligned with your spine and your gaze straight down, pull your elbows straight back and contract between your shoulder blades. Then extend your arms back, going back to the initial position. Finish 3 sets of 10 reps all in all. Important things to remember. To start, use lightweight dumbbells, say 5 to 8 pounds. When pulling the dumbbells up, don't let your wrists bend. Don't let the fronts of your shoulders round forward when at the top of each rep. Number 4. Incline dumbbell chest press. The incline chest press is a free weight movement that's used to target your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Compared to the traditional flat bench press, this one emphasizes the movement of the upper portion of the pectoral muscle groups and the front of the shoulder. And when done regularly, it leads to greater muscle growth in the upper chest. Moreover, using dumbbells will promote balance strength among both sides of the chest. Directions. Position the ends of the dumbbells in your hip crease, then sit on the edge of an incline bench. Now lay back and keep the dumbbells close to your chest. Then extend your arm and press the weights straight up until your elbows lock. Slowly lower the dumbbells under control as far as comfortably possible. Contract your chest and push the weights back up to the starting position, completing 10 reps for 3 sets. Important things to remember. For newbies like you, 8 to 10-pound dumbbells are a good start. Squeeze the weights as tight as you can for more shoulder stability. Keep your feet flat on the ground and your lower body still during the set. Number 5. Standing overhead dumbbell press. This beginner move works as a wonderful foundational exercise for the core and upper body. To be specific, it works the deltoid muscle of the shoulder. As such, if you're looking to get wider shoulders, then the dumbbell overhead press is a great one. What's more, it can correct or prevent strength and muscle imbalances in your upper arms. Directions. Begin by standing with one dumbbell in each hand. As you do so, bend your elbows so they're positioned right above your shoulders and your palms are facing forward. Keep your core engaged and spine neutral, extending your arms and pushing the dumbbells upward until they reach above your head. Next, lower the dumbbells down by bending your elbows and stopping only when your upper arms are just below parallel to the floor. Repeat the extension, finishing 10 reps for 3 sets. Important things to remember. Keep your elbows rigid and don't lock them at the top of the movement. Make sure your elbow joints are in line with your shoulders. Never squirm or wiggle just to try to press the weights up. What better way to spend your 20 minutes spare than doing this beginner workout, eh? Tell us what you think about this workout below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.